my channel for another quick and easy recipe. So for today, I wanted to show you how to make this apricot pie, which is so delicious. It's sweet, it's tart, it's creamy, just everything you could ask for. The crispiness of the crust is just blow your minds away delicious. If you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe down below so you won't miss out on my quick and easy recipes, which always have a unique twist to them, like this one right here. Let's get started. I'm starting off by putting about 2 pounds of apricots into some simmering water for a few minutes, and this is going to loosen their skin. So once you're able to peel one, drain out all of that water and the skin will just come right off. Now once all of these are peeled, simply remove the seeds and put them all into one bowl. I'm adding a cup of brown sugar as well as a tablespoon of flour and cornstarch. Mix this all up until it's all incorporated. And for the crust, I have here 1 package of puff pastry dough from the freezer section of your grocery store. This has been defrosted and I'm going to be rolling it out on a lightly floured surface. And this is going to go into your pie or tart pan and slightly press it towards the edges to form its shape. And with a rolling pin, press it on top to trim off all that excess dough. Scoop out all of that delicious mixture inside, and to really amp this pie up, I'm going to be making a simple creamy top layer, which consists of 4 ounces of room temperature cream cheese mixed with a 1/3 cup of brown sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix this all up, and with a pastry bag, I'm going to be piping this all over the top of the pie. You could also just use a spoon if you like. Now for the top crust of the pie, I'm rolling out that second sheet of puff pastry and we're going to be cutting out strips to make a crisscross style lattice top. It's going to be fairly simple. Just put your first strips of puff pastry down on top of your pie, and then with every other strip, you're going to be folding it over and layering it on thereafter. Top this off with a brush of beaten egg and a sprinkle of sugar, and this is going to be baked in a super hot preheated oven of 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes. Don't forget that the recipes are always listed down below in the description box. Now once this pie is nicely golden brown, it is finally ready. This apricot filling is to die for. It's so delicious. It's full of a variety of different flavors and textures. Sweet, tart, creamy, and crispy. You will just love this recipe. Try this with whatever fruits you have on hand, peaches, apples, or even cherries. What's your favorite pie? Let me know down below in the comment section. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you won't miss out on all of these unique recipes with a twist, which I upload every other day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.